Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about how to pay off your Bluevine credit line early. Paying off your Bluevine credit line ahead of schedule can save you interest and of course free up your borrowing limits much faster. Here's how to do it. So first you got to do is to log into your Bluevine dashboard. You can do that online or in the Bluevine mobile app. Once you're in, go to your credit line section. Then select the specific draw that you want to pay off. Click make a payment. And now enter the full remaining balance instead of just the minimum or scheduled installments. Choose your payment method, either from your Bluevine business checking account or a linked external account. Confirm and submit the payments. And after the payment clears, you can check your accounts. Your available credit will update and your repayment schedule will show the loan as fully paid. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. You've successfully paid off your Bluevine credit line early, which of course saves you money on interest and restores full access to your credits. Like the video if you like the video, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.